How to make a colorful intro with like, share and subscribe on Kinemaster. Open Kinemaster, select black color from media, click layer, go to handwriting and make a gold right shape. Make a lot of duplicate shapes of the first shape. After this, go to layer media, choose a colorful picture and light. Set the light between the shape and colorful picture, set all over the shape. Click colorful picture, go to blending and select multiply. And other time click colorful picture, select counterclockwise from all over animation and play the video. Your video is complete. Please subscribe to channel and thanks for watching the video.